Introducing Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 11th Gen Intel i3 15.6 inches Full HD thin and light laptop in Arctic Grey. It comes in a size of 35.9 by 23.7 by 2 cm and weighs 1.65 kg. It runs on 11th Gen Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor and is preloaded with Windows 11 Home with lifetime validity and Microsoft Office Home and Student 2021. The laptop comes with 8GB DDR4 SD RAM upgradable to 12GB and Intel Ultra HD integrated graphics, and with 512GB SSD storage. Powered by a lithium polymer battery, it has a battery life of 6 hours and a rapid charge of up to 80% in 1 hour. The laptop has 15.6 inches Full HD anti-glare screen with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels. And comes in a 4-side narrow bezel design. Enjoy HD stereo sound with two 1.5-watt speakers, Dolby Audio. The 720p HD inbuilt camera comes with privacy shutter and fixed focus, and integrated dual-array microphone ensures clear voice quality. The laptop is Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled and is equipped with two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, one USB 2.0 port and an HDMI port. The box contains the laptop, power adapter and user manual. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.